Hi everyone, I'm Siok from Online Help Guide, and in this video I will show you how to switch wallets on Bitget Wallet. Switching between wallets allows you to easily manage multiple accounts and assets within the app. So let's get started on how to switch wallets on Bitget Wallet. First, open the Bitget Wallet on your device. On the home page, tap on your wallet name at the top left corner of your screen. All the available wallets will now appear. Simply select the wallet you want to switch to by tapping on it. And this is how you can switch wallets on Bitget Wallet. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.